Just where do you think you're going, Amy?
Saleri, unlock the door.
I'm sorry. I can't do that, Amy. The plumber said he'd be here between 12 and 4, and you've got to be here when he shows up.
But that's like a 4-hour block. I can't sit around here all day waiting for him. I have things to do. Plus, you know he won't be here until 5.
If only there were a way to schedule your appointment when you want and track your plumber as he drives.
That would be amazing.
Of course there's a way to do that. It's an app called billyGO.
billyGO?
Yes, billyGO. I just downloaded it onto your phone.
That's helpful and easy.
With billyGO, you never have to wait for a plumber again. You're paying them. Why should you be the one waiting?
That's it? I'm free? Thanks, billyGO. I'll be back at 2.
You're welcome.
Don't be a prisoner in your own home. Take back control of your time with billyGO. When you use the billyGO app, you never have to wait for a plumber again. You choose the time that works best for you. As that time approaches, you can track your plumber on a real-time map to see exactly when he will arrive. No more sitting around at your house for hours, waiting for your service tech to finish other jobs before getting to you. The billyGO app will tell you if you've got enough time to run that extra errand. It's your time. Use it for whatever you need. billyGO is locally owned and operated and only hires the best plumbers, so you never have to worry about the quality of the person or their work. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. As part of an introductory offer, and only for a short time, you will receive a $59 discount toward your first service. Download the billyGO app today and set your schedule free. billyGO. It's about time.